everyone, welcome to this brand new series where we decode the Redux. So one of the most powerful state management library for JavaScript and React app. If you ever struggle with the prop trailing and lost of track of states or the felt confused with the complex component, so Redux is the here to help you out with this problem. So in this series, I will take you step by step from absolute basic to the advanced Redux concepts. We will explore about the toolkit, thumbs, TypeScript, and persistence. And this all will be in with the code and the practice example. So let's get started with the Redux first of all. So Redux is a predictable container for JavaScript application. It helps you manage and centralize the application state in a one single place, which is known as the store. Now, through most commonly used with the Redux can work with any JavaScript framework. This is a very important pointer that Redux can work with any JavaScript framework. Now, let me break it down using a real world analog here. So, suppose in Redux, we have the different things like mainly it has the three things which we should know. Like the first one is the store, and the second one is the reducer, and the third one is the actions. Now, let me go with the real life example. Take something like a body or the simple normal human body, right? Normal human body. So, in human body, we have one brain, right? We can assume it as a store, and we have the some body parts like ear, eyes, mouth, right? So we can assume these all as reducer. And what the ear do? It do the listening, right? And eyes watching, seeing such type of things, and the mouth speaking, right? So we can assume these as actions, and these as reducer, and these as brain. So in Redux, we have especially these three things, and one more thing is there dispatch. We can call dispatch. We will come back to this, but wait for it. Wait for some time. What normally human body do? Our eyes see something. Suppose our eye is seeing a tree, and now this action is done by the reducer, right? And this action is done by reducer. Now this reducer will send it to the brain, right? Means our eye send a message to our brain that I see a tree. And now brain knows that yeah, there is an action performed, watching of tree. And now this brain can send the details to somewhere. Like if someone is asking that what you are looking or what you are seeing, so that time that brain can dispatch. Dispatch means sending the data, or we can call it uh, using the data just by using the dispatch. And suppose our brain is saying you to watch something. Like your brain is saying that you need to watch a tree which has a green leaf. So this brain send the message to the eyes, and this eyes start watching that where like there are lots of tree are present, right? So I will see that which tree I need to see, right? So it will perform the action. So dispatch is a something which send a message from brain to the reducer to perform particular action. This is the very important thing about the Redux, and we should know about it. And I explained you with a normal body parts. So I hope you understand more betterly. Now let's move back to the sliding. So here are the four key building blocks you must know about the Redux. As right now I told you, like first one is the store. It holds the entire state of the app in one place, and the action is a something plain JavaScript object that describe what happened, like watching, listening, speaking, or if I talk about in the real world coding example, so increment, login user, such type of actions, right? Now, reducer, a pure function that take a current state and action and return a new state, right? By performing the task. And now there is a lansing dispatch, a method used to send an action to the store, right? As I told you. So I hope you understand the core concept of the Redux and some basic details about the Redux, that why we should use it, right? So till then, bye bye and keep watching the video.